In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then we can just swipe to the right to activate Instagram camera, and now I'm just gonna take a picture, just like that. Now we can share this photo to our story. To do that, I'm just gonna hit right here at that arrow. Make sure that your story is selected, and down below here it says sharing options. If we tap on it, it will show you this pop-up where you can easily tap at share once to share just that particular story to your Facebook account. However, if you would like to automatically configure sharing stories to Facebook, you can tap right here at Account Center. Then you will be taken to the exact part of your Account Center settings where we can configure automatically sharing our stories, posts and reels from that particular Instagram account to that particular Facebook account. I'm just gonna enable stories and reels. You can configure it in different way. Once it is done, you can just go back here, and now as you can see here down below it says and Facebook story, which means that auto sharing posts to stories on Facebook is already turned on. To continue, just hit add share. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.